Hey everybody, it's Carol. Today I'm going to show you 5 NYX 16-hour long-lasting no transfer lipsticks. And they have a nice clear coat, and it's made with jojoba oil, vitamins E oil, macadamia nut oil. These are the 5 NYX colors that I bought and that I am going to show you in this video. They are peachy, nude, mauve, and red. I hope you enjoy. Here we go. Darling Damsel. This is the lightest one, and I believe it would look much better with a liner. Global Citizen. This looks like a mauve to me on the lips and on the hand. In here, it looks like a beige. I'm just putting it there to show you, but you would put the gloss all over the lips. Gold Crusher. Stan Stuntin. And one more. It doesn't come off. It doesn't come off unless you use a remover. Ambition Statement. Now I'm going to put Darling Damsel in the center because I like to play with my lipsticks. That's the wrong one. No! Darling Damsel. I like Darling Damsel with ambition statement around it. So let this dry and then we'll put on the lip gloss. As long as you put it all over, your lips won't stick together. So this is two of them. This is the bottom one and the top one. So that is the end of my demo. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you got to see the colors in their true form. I want you to realize that they last for a few hours. I don't know about 16 yet. I don't know about that. I know they lasted for me like 4 hours, 5 hours. And actually they started crackling up, but when I reapplied it, it looked like it never crackled. So that was my first impression. But I am willing to give these a try because I look for long-lasting, no-transfer products all the time. I just want my makeup to stay the way it is till I finish the day. I want to show you my new tools for cleaning my brushes when I don't use the microwave. I've been using the microwave a lot, but this is what I do when I have a few sponges to clean. I have this container from the Dollar Tree. It comes with like 3 containers with covers, and my lemon squeezer in pink, and I have my my mashed potato, I don't know what this is, but my smasher. I have my pink smasher. Isn't that pretty? So these are my tools when I don't use the microwave, when I need to wash a few sponges at a time and just squish, squish, squish with my squisher and my squeezer. My squisher and my squeezer. Yeah, and also I got these brushes. I think they were $22 on, I'm trying to think the website. I'll put the link down below. These are amazing because I already have the foundation brush. I had to get the rest. They have a divot here for your fingers. They have a nice smooth handle and ferrule. The brush material is beautiful. It's not too soft like some really cheap brushes, and it's not too hard and dense. It's just right. And when you do this on your face, it just works so good, and it's comfortable. You know, you feel like an artist, an artiste. Boop, boop. And look at these brushes. They're so gorgeous. I had to get them. This is my pink collection of brushes. And because I didn't think this video was going to be that short, so now I see how short it was when I edited it, so I'm adding a few things here. This company sent me this shampoo and conditioner. It's by Eva NYC. Now, the shampoo is a 10-in-1 shampoo. It is called Main Magic. There's no sulfates, no parabens, no phthalates. 100% recyclable. Strengthens, revitalizes, and reduces frizz. Powered by argan oil. Now this is the conditioner, and this is 10-in-1 also. It strengthens, revitalizes, and reduces frizz. But aren't they cute? Oh, I thought that was so pretty. So thank you, Eva NYC. Thank you for sending me this. This is the conditioner. And this is the shampoo. And they smell really good. They smell really, really good. Oh, yes. And I love a good smelling shampoo because I want to experience that when I'm washing my hair. I want to get like aromatherapy. So thank you, Eva NYC. And also, this company, Claire's, Klairs, sent me this. It's, wait till you hear this name. This is so cute. It's freshly juiced vitamin drop. A freshly juiced vitamin drop. And look, it's a holographic picture on the front. It's so pretty. It is pure vitamin C essence, centella acetica extract, yuzu extract, and grapefruit extract. Pure vitamin C, the freshly juiced vitamin drop, is a daily supplement essence with pure vitamin C to deliver clear and lively skin. Put on morning and night, 1 to 2 drops. Oh, beautiful. And it goes right into your skin. The vitamin drop is a unique and effective serum formulated with pure vitamin C, stabilized L-ascorbic acid, mildly in texture without harsh irritation. So there you go. Thank you, Claire's. It's 1.18 fluid ounce. That is from Claire's. It's freshly squeezed orange vitamin C drop. Thank you, Claire's, for sending this to me. I might as well add this. I got this from Shein. There's 5 of them. It is a clean sponge. This is the greatest thing ever. You wash your face. When you don't want to use soap or anything, you just wet this and you wash your face. After you put on your cleanser or your soap, you go like this. Squeeze it out, rinse it out, and hang it up to dry. After a few times, you throw it in the washing machine. But see these? I'm going to give them to my grandkids. I'm going to get colored ones. They have them in different colors, so they'll know which one is theirs. Because all teens and 20-year-olds need to wash their face with something a little stronger than their fingers, right? So everybody, even the man in your life, give him one of these. Tell him to scrub his face with it. It's soft and it takes off everything, all the grime of the day. It's beautiful. I'm pretty sure it was less than $5 or $4 for all of these. It's a real good buy. That's it for today. Now I'll say goodbye and thank you so much. And I'll see you soon.